In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to join or merge clips together in Premiere Pro. If you have multiple clips in your timeline, select the ones you want to combine by dragging over them. Alternatively, you can highlight them by pressing Ctrl+A. Once they're selected, right-click and choose Nest. Give your nested sequence a name, like Clip, and press OK. Your selected clips will now turn into one single clip. The benefit of nesting is that you can apply any effect, like the crop effect, directly to the nested clip, and it will apply to everything inside it and affect all the clips. If you double-click the nested clip, it opens the sequence, so you can still access the original cuts and make any edits you need. When you go back to the main timeline, that nested clip behaves as one merged clip, and you can resize or move it just like any other clip. Now, if you made a cut on the same clip, like splitting one clip into two pieces, you can remove that cut by selecting the edit point, right-clicking, and choosing Join Through Clips. This only works when the cut is from the same original clip. If you're trying to merge two separate clips, you'll need to use nesting, since that's what creates a combined sequence. The nested sequence also appears in your project panel as its own mini sequence, and you can add this to your timeline as well. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.